Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Valorant account without email address. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So you want to go on your browser and write down support Valorant and go on supportvalorant.riotgames.com. Once you will be redirected to this page where you will see support tools. So you want to click on recover your account. And on recover your account, you're going to scroll down and you will see account recovery tool. So you're going to scroll down until you see automated recovery tool. This is the one where you don't have access to your email. So you begin account recovery. From here, you're going to write down your username on Valorant and your Riot ID summoner name. I'm just going to write that down. I hope you remember that. Of course, this one is not necessary, but maybe username will be helpful. Now, if you have played League of Legends on this account, you're going to click yes, and then you're going to choose a region on which you have played. So, for example, if you are in North America, you're going to choose that. Now you need to write down date of birth and click next. After that, you need to enter emails associated with the account. So you're going to enter the original sign-up email, which you have used to sign up on Valorant. And this is probably the email that you don't have access, so you're going to write down no. And then you can also write down some other emails you used with that account, but if you didn't, then you're going to leave it blank. And now you're going to write down how they can reach you. You're going to enter the email which you have access to and click next. And then they will contact you as soon as possible, and they will help you to recover your account. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.